Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to show you how I made this Gnome Splatter screen wreath. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. For this Gnome Splatter screen wreath, you're going to need one splatter screen from Dollar Tree with a handle. You're going to need some LED battery powered lights, a shatterproof Christmas ornament for its nose, a Dollar Tree scarf, 2 of the Dollar Tree miniature trees, and 1 word from Dollar Tree. I believe 3 come in a package, some zip ties, your hot glue gun, and glue sticks and scissors. First, you'll want to take your 2 trees out of their package, and you don't need the little round piece on the end. Take it off, and you don't need the stands, and fluff the left side of one and the right side of the other. And then you're also going to need a toilet plunger stick, and you'll want to zip tie the 2 trees to the plunger stick. This is the little gnome's beard. If you have some white Christmas trees, those would be super cute, or you could add a little white chalk paint to these green trees if all you have is green. And then I just added a little extra Gorilla Glue to make sure they didn't move. And then I did add a zip tie at the bottom of the Christmas trees too. Now you'll want to bend your splatter screen just a little, and then I am going to zip tie the splatter screen to the top of the toilet plunger stick, and then I'm going to wire it to the bottom of the plunger stick. And I'm just using floral wire. This is 20 gauge floral wire, and it takes just a little bit of time to get it to thread through the splatter screen. So just make sure you secure the splatter screen to the wooden stick, give the wires a few twists, and trim off the extra part of the wires. Now I am taking a brand new scarf. You're going to need the whole scarf, plus I cut off another piece of another one for the band or the cuff of the toboggan. So just wrap the scarf all the way around the splatter screen and the top of the splatter screen stick, and just kind of play with it. And then you'll want to hot glue the little scarf on. I also hot glued some ribbon to the top of the little toilet plunger stick. That way I could hang the wreath up on the door. I also cut off the fringe on the scarf, and then I took a piece of another scarf the same color and made a little band for the bottom cuff of the hat. My daughter painted the little gnome's nose for me. It's just a shatterproof Christmas ornament. Then I added the word joy, and then I hot glued to the top of the hat a piece of peppermint. It's just fake peppermint from Hobby Lobby. And then we added some LED battery powered twinkling lights that I picked up at Target. And then I just wired to the wooden stick the battery box. When you're painting the little gnome's nose, you could add some white chalk paint to the little Christmas trees if you wanted to. Last, I just hot glued the gnome's nose onto the kind of the middle part where it kind of meets the hat, and I just held it in place so it could have time to dry. And then this is what it looks like hanging on the door. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this little gnome wreath.